the service-related aspects of the vehicles, to include the brake systems, suspensions, clutch, power steering, transmissions, cab and hood, electrical system, air conditioning system, and the engines, both the Cummins B-Series engine and the Mercedes-Benz OM 366 LA engine. The new Freightliner medium truck comes standard with hydraulic disc brakes. This Bendix Hydromax system is one of the most common Class 6 and 7 hydraulic brake systems in the industry. The system consists of a power booster, a master cylinder and reservoir, rigid and flexible hydraulic lines, a brake rotor on each wheel hub, and a brake caliper and pad assembly at each rotor. The brake system includes two completely separate hydraulic systems. The brake power booster system uses the power steering pump to provide power to the brake master cylinder. The service brake system consists of the master cylinder, the brake hydraulic lines, and the brake calipers. The calipers will be a rust color when the truck is new. This color will eventually change to a more normal color as the brakes are used. The two systems use different types of fluid. The power booster is plumbed into the power steering system and uses power steering fluid. The service brake system, master cylinder, and brake calipers use DOT3 brake fluid. The system features an electric motor backup that provides boost pressure should the power steering pump fail to provide fluid pressure. This motor is designed for emergency backup only. The service manual contains a comprehensive troubleshooting list that will help you when you're servicing the hydraulic disc brake system. Freightliner medium trucks not equipped with hydraulic brake systems will have air brake systems similar to those found on other Freightliner vehicles. Valves and other major components of these air brake systems will be familiar to anyone who has previously worked on Freightliner vehicles. Information about maintenance and repair procedures for both hydraulic and air brake systems for the new medium trucks is available under group number 42 in the service and maintenance manuals. Freightliner's business class trucks come standard with 2-leaf parabolic front springs. No maintenance is needed for the new bonded rubber bushing in the spring eyes. The vehicles are available with a wide range of rear suspensions, including parabolic, flat leaf, and Airliner. The parabolic and flat leaf rear suspensions feature composite wear pads that are easy to replace. The Freightliner Airliner rear suspension is the same as that offered on other Freightliner vehicles. Adjustment procedures for the Airliner rear suspension will be familiar to those mechanics who have worked previously on Freightliner vehicles. For service-related information about the new Freightliner medium truck suspensions, check the Service and Maintenance Manuals, group number 32. The Freightliner business class trucks come with one of 3 basic clutches: the 310 and 350 Spicer angle ring push-type clutch, the single and 2-plate angle spring pull-type clutch, and the easy pedal pull-type clutch. The clutch systems use hydraulic lines rather than mechanical linkage. Both the pull-type and push-type designs feature no pedal free play, and no external linkage adjustments are required for either type of system after their initial setup. Routine internal adjustment for wear will still be required on the pull-type clutches. For service-related information about the new Freightliner medium truck clutch systems, check the Service and Maintenance Manuals, group number 25. The power steering systems of the business class trucks is similar to the system used in other Freightliner vehicles. The power steering pump on the Cummins B-Series engine is a Vickers VT73 pump, while the ZF pump is used on the Mercedes-Benz OM 366 LA engine. 3 sizes of TRW Ross power steering gears are used: TAS 40, TAS 55, and TAS 65. The TAS 40 is used on front axles up to 9,000 pounds, TAS 55 on front axles up to 12,000 pounds, and TAS 65 on front axles up to 14,300 pounds. All the steering gearboxes feature automatically set poppets that only require adjusting if the wheel cut is reduced by turning the axle stops further out. When performing an internal leak test, note that trucks with hydraulic brake systems will show normal pump flow because the gear is designed to go into a bypass mode and will continue to provide boost for the hydraulic brakes. To check internal leakage, a relief valve plug must be installed in place of the bypass valve. The tool is then removed and the bypass valve is reinstalled. For service-related information about the new Freightliner medium truck power steering system, check the Service and Maintenance Manual's group number 46. Depending on the vehicle being serviced, the new business class vehicles feature either automatic, synchronized, or unsynchronized transmissions from standard 5-speed to 9-speed configurations. Manual transmissions used in the vehicles are manufactured by Fuller. Automatic transmissions are made by Allison. The Allison MD Series electronic transmission provides for complete electronic diagnostics. For service-related information about the new Freightliner medium truck transmission systems, check with your local Fuller or Allison dealer. Some service-related information, such as transmission removal and installation procedures, are contained in the Freightliner Service and Maintenance Manual's group number 26. Those mechanics who have serviced Freightliner's Class 8 steel cab FLC 112 will note many cab and hood service similarities with the new business class vehicles. Two cables position the hood at an 80-degree opening for easy service access. The vehicles feature a simplified hood adjustment procedure. Two front mounts are adjustable fore and aft, side to side, and up and down for simple, precise adjustments. For service-related information about the new Freightliner medium truck hood, check the Service and Maintenance Manual's group number 88. For service-related information about the new Freightliner medium truck cab, check the Service Manual group number 60. The business class vehicles feature many electrical system design advances that make servicing easier and faster. The vehicle's electrical center, located under the dash on the passenger side, provides easy access for maintenance, troubleshooting, repairs, and system expansion. The electrical center features industry-standard plug-in automotive-type blade-style fuses and circuit breakers for critical circuits. A pre-wired standard cab harness permits the addition of many vehicle options at the dealership. The well-organized wire harnesses and numbered wires, similar to the Freightliner Class 8 numbering system, are designed so that wiring circuits can be easily identified. Numbering, rather than color coding, eliminates problems associated with faded wire colors. A newly designed bulkhead connector connects the cab and chassis wiring harnesses. This environmentally sealed connection eliminates corrosion and simplifies troubleshooting. Wire terminals are crimped and soldered to provide maximum system integrity. Whenever repairing a wire terminal, always crimp and solder the connection. Packard Electrical, the manufacturer of the wiring harnesses for Freightliner's medium trucks, has made a special tool kit available for removal and installation of terminals for repairs and for the installation of options to the electrical system. The instrument cluster is designed for easy diagnosis and replacement of a faulty gauge. There's no need to exchange the complete assembly when only one gauge fails. The instrument gauges can be replaced from the front of the instrument panel with gauge light bulbs easily accessible from the rear of the panel. The electrical system is designed for current and future addition of anti-lock brake systems and electronic engine and transmission diagnostic tools. The batteries are conveniently located, allowing easy access for maintenance. For service-related information about the new Freightliner medium truck electrical system, instruments, and controls, check the Service and Maintenance Manual's group number 54. All Freightliner medium trucks are standard with a bare climate control unit, which can be spec'd in one of three configurations: a base heater-only unit, an optional heater unit which is upgradable to a heater-AC combo, or an optional integrated heater-AC combination. Whichever unit is installed, it's mounted under the center dash panel. The dash control panel features a 3-speed fan switch that forces fresh or recirculated air to any selected air outlets. With air conditioning, there is an on-off control lever under the switch that turns the AC compressor on and off. The adjustable cable-controlled air selection switch directs air through various ducts located in the dash. If so equipped, the air source lever under the switch allows fresh or recirculated air to be used by the system. The adjustable cable-controlled temperature control switch allows selection of cool or warm air. The heater AC unit and its major individual components, such as the heater core, the air conditioner evaporator coil, and the blower motor, are easily accessible. First, remove the trim strip and dash panels. The motor can be lifted out after the motor wires are disconnected and the housing cover is removed. Turnbuckles allow easy adjustment of the cables. The high-pressure service port is located on the liquid line at the expansion valve and features a standard automotive 3/8 24 fitting for connection to a charging unit. The low-pressure refrigerant service port is located on the suction hose at the expansion valve on the firewall. The condenser and compressor can be moved away from the engine, allowing easy access for engine work without discharging the refrigerant. Information about maintenance and repair procedures for Freightliner's new medium truck heater AC system is available under group number 83 in the Service and Maintenance Manual. Power for the business class truck is furnished by either the Cummins B Series engine or the Mercedes-Benz OM 366 LA engine. The Cummins B 5.9 is a 5.9-liter turbocharged, air-to-air aftercooled, 6-cylinder inline engine, rated from 160 to 230 horsepower. The Mercedes-Benz OM 366 LA is a 6-liter turbocharged, air-to-air aftercooled 6-cylinder inline engine, rated from 170 to 230 horsepower. The complete engine assembly is located ahead of the firewall. Because there's no doghouse, there's no need for rear engine access through the cab. Access is quicker and easier for engine maintenance and repair than with most competitors' engines. Both the Cummins and the Mercedes-Benz model engines feature highly visible and easy-to-reach service checkpoints. The setback axle and the low-positioned frame-mounted air intake system permit walk-up servicing of the engine, eliminating the need to stretch or climb over the front tire. Low-mounted radiator struts also permit easy service access to the engine. Engine plumbing is routed away from service locations. Both types of engines are supported by 3 engine mounts. When the engine is removed from the chassis for servicing, the air conditioning, electrical, power steering, and clutch hydraulic control systems don't require disassembly and reassembly in order to service the engine. Service-related information about the engines available in Freightliner's new medium trucks is available under group number 01 in the Service and Maintenance Manuals. This program has offered only a brief preview of the Class 6 and 7 medium trucks from Freightliner. Detailed service information and procedures are available in the Freightliner Medium Truck Service and Maintenance Manuals, Medium Truck Models 60 Series, 70 Series, and 80 Series. Our goal is to make all information about service-related aspects of the vehicles as accessible and understandable as possible. To accomplish that goal, Freightliner's Service Training Department, which enjoys the reputation of offering some of the trucking industry's most comprehensive service training programs, has extensively expanded its offerings. Complete service training for Freightliner Class 6 and 7 trucks is now available. For information about the courses offered, the availability of classes, and class schedules, please contact your Freightliner District Service Manager or call or write the Service Training Department in Portland, Oregon. At Freightliner Corporation, we believe that every customer should be provided efficient, effective, and uniform service. Excellent service builds lasting customer relationships. We're dedicated to providing you with the resources you need to meet those customer demands. That's because we're Freightliner, the company that does things right.